Civic Samadhan, an ultimate Google's AI-based platform for solving local civic issues. Our platform is affiliated with user-friendly UI/UX system and multilingual feature, and also have a Civic AI assistant which is connected with Google Gemini's data. If user got stuck on our platform and need some help, they can take help from this AI assistant to avail all our features and get the problem solved. Now let's talk about our workflow. Our workflow is very simple. The user have to just click the photo of that issue, then AI will automatically detect it and send it to the right solver, and it will get solved and the user will get notified. It has many more features. We have aligned our platform with all emergency helpline numbers. If someone need police helpline, they can click on the button and find nearby police station numbers. After which, we have connected our portal with Google Maps services. If someone need nearby police station location, hospital location and other needed places, they can just simply click on the get direction and will be redirected on Google Maps page and find nearby hospitals to their locality, which is very simple as we can see on our map. For reporting an issue, you have to sign up first on our website, and after sign up with those credentials, you have to log in. After which you will be redirected on your personal dashboard. On dashboard, you can clearly see the summary of your complaint, you can track your complaint and emergency contacts. It is very simple to file and complain. You have to just follow 4 steps. First of all, just upload the picture of that issue, and at second point you have to give description of that issue and select its category and add some additional details you want to fill with the help of audio description. Then give your locality's live location. Also, you can pin the point at your location at that time. After that, your complaint will be submitted successfully and you will give your complaint ID by which you can track your complaint. Now let's take a look what will happen if someone admin will see that our web portal. So this is the dashboard view of the government analytics who will resolve the problems. You can see the manage complaint options. Here they can see all the complaints registered via their locality. They will manage all the complaint by seeing all the description and images and audio description filled by user. After resolving, they will update the status and send to the user's notification. You can see the whole analytics view, how they can solve problems and what are their records. These all are the personal information. And our main motive is to empower citizens with all aspects